By the end of this video, I will have been watching for 5 minutes. It's a lot to say, isn't it? Are there any other ways to say it? So the construction in the example will have past participle, or shortening will to LL. It's called the future perfect, and we use this to say what will be complete by a point in the future. So, for example, don't turn up late. I'll have finished by then. Within 3 hours, I will have watched 10 more grammar videos. Well, maybe that's true for you today. You may read, though, that native speakers don't actually use the future perfect a lot. I don't think that's necessarily true. I think native speakers do use it, but perhaps not as much as other tenses. And they will opt to use alternative ways of expressing themselves. And here's a few at the bottom of the page. So I'm going to watch 10 more videos in the next 3 hours. It has the same effect, and it's using the very simple going to construction. Also, the present continuous, which we use for arrangements in the future, but this could also be used to predict what's going to happen in the future. I'm finishing before you are due to arrive, which does the same thing. Or sometimes we can even use I will be followed by a past participle. I will be done with learning about the future perfect by the end of this video. So I will be done with means something will be over. So that's another phrase that you can use. But if you want to use the future perfect will have past participle is absolutely fine. Subscribe to this channel for more English grammar videos, or for a longer course, go to the link in the description below for our English Grammar from Advanced to Native course on Udemy.